Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, just came a parcel from China. I've managed to just cut off and see if that's the parcel or not. Here we got so these are the suction caps for a TV. I meant to buy them before, but they had mixed reviews from people, and there were people who were claiming that the quality it can be dodgy as well. So after some time they start to just don't suck so much, and I don't know how long they can last, and I don't know, maybe I can buy only the suction cap, so the next time I won't have to buy including the pipes. But the positive thing is, before we will test them here, is that, let me switch back to the screen here, that they were costing only 20 pounds and 14 pence on AliExpress. So before I was trying to buy them and they were much dearer. So I said, you know what, if I'll spend about 40-50 quid for them, you know, I won't buy one. Yes, definitely I won't buy one, because these are going for the sizes from 32 inch from what I remember, but let me check, up to 75 inch. So what I've seen before was up to 65 or up to 55. Yes, so I wanted up to 75 because those are the most TVs we're dealing with. And I can say that I've got mixed, you know, emotions about it. They've got screw here so you can replace the suction cap. So I never used that before, so let us, since yesterday I didn't use the IPA, it dried out. Let's clean them up, because that just came, so we don't know. Okay, I'll try to not touch these caps after wiping them. Okay, and another two. And here. Okay, so till now I was using my hands, and I couldn't complain on using hands. I'll do the same on the screen. You shouldn't use IPA. Yes, I can use here IPA just because I've used the I'm using it on the cracked screen, but I wouldn't recommend using IPA on a known good screen. Oh, I've cracked it even further. Okay, so let's see if I will try. Okay, let's get this kitchen towel off my way. Okay. Okay, so what we see here is the signature. Okay, so there is still air. It's not perfectly tight, but it's good. Now we can hold it. I want to see the second ones, which have more dust on them, and yeah, definitely have more dust. Will they hold as well as these ones which I've washed? So now we've got comparison into those with a dust and those which I haven't dusted off. Of course, on the TV I will be dusting off, let's face it, especially customers, yes. I would say it's okay, it's not bad, yes? So if I will be lifting, I could even, the only problem is not to bend it, yes? Because if you will bend it, you can damage it. What do you think? Good purchase or bad purchase? I would say it's a good purchase, but well, especially for the price, because it's 1742 on at this supplier, which has 92%. I try not to buy from suppliers when they've got below 90%. It's not only rule of thumb, you can say there are other as well, but that's there are two main factors which I look how long they are on the market on AliExpress, and what is their positive feedback. Yes, so those two factors I'm usually looking at. I tend not to look at the comments most of the time, but it's a nice addition when there is a video and video is showing what this product looks like or does. Yes, so when I've seen that their TV was lifted by those two whole TV, I was happy to buy it because I've seen how many kilograms they can carry. That's why I bought them. And the display, it's fragile and thin, it's not heavy. Yes, so I would say good enough. But hey ho, if you get a better idea, comment down below. I will be testing them, okay? And in the future, if you follow this YouTube channel, I will be telling you how good they are, okay? So 2 more backlights are coming from China. Yes, because I couldn't get them, so they are coming from China. And one only customer have made an inquiry about the TV, but the rest I fixed or didn't. There were 2 actually in the last month which I couldn't. So yeah, so we will see. I will keep you updated. I will if I will see anything dodgy about them, I will do it in the comment section and I will pin the comment. I know people are not commenting when the content is as is on this YouTube channel, but our technicians need to learn stuff, and that's why I'm showing tools which I'm using, and that's why I want to leave the comment if I will see anything dodgy about those suction cups. But that's it, guys, that's everything. I would say good purchase for the price. £20 is okay price. So thank you for watching, see you in the next video, until the next time, bye bye.